kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today, we are drawing a cute dump truck. Let's start with the front face of the truck. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a happy smiling mouth below the eyes. Now, draw the front body around the face. Next, draw the big windshield above the face. Add the side mirrors on both sides. Then draw the truck cabin and roof lights on top. Then add small details like lights, exhaust pipe, and bumpers. Add the support arm connecting the cabin and dump bed. Now, draw the large dump bed at the back of the truck. Next, draw the big wheels under the truck. Make sure the wheels are round and strong. Now, draw the dirt load inside the dump bed. You can also add some dirt and small rocks on the ground around the truck. Great job! Great job! Now, it's time to color. Color the truck with bright yellow. Add black for the bumper and metal parts. Color the wheels black with yellow rims. Use blue for the windshield. You can also add some shading to make the truck look more lively. Use brown for the dirt and ground. And done! Your cute dump truck is ready.